Hello, how are you? I am Nazareth. In this quick video, I bring to you a complete analysis of Nicole A. Plyan's Medicinal Garden Kit, how it works, and a little bit of my experience using the kit. Additionally, I will also provide you with important information that you need to know about the Medicinal Garden Kit before purchasing it, so that you don't get frustrated and waste your money. Okay, so pay attention until the end of the video. The first thing you need to know about Nicole A. Plyan's original Medicinal Garden Kit is that you can only find it on the official website. If you don't buy it from the official site, you may receive a fake product or even lose your money without receiving any product. Not to mention that the official website of the Medicinal Garden Kit is the only one that offers a refund guarantee. Therefore, to assist you, I have left a link in the description of this video and also pinned it in the first comment. It will take you directly to the official website. Since I turned 33 years old, I have been suffering from terrible insomnia. I became dependent on pharmaceutical drugs, and over time, it brought me several problems in my daily life, especially at work. Knowing about these difficulties, a friend recommended Nicole A. Plyan's Medicinal Garden Kit to me. I bought it on the same day, and it arrived very quickly. Inside the kit, there were 10 smaller packages, each containing a type of seed. Additionally, there was also a free medicinal guide with step-by-step instructions on how to plant, care for, and cultivate each one of them. What I liked the most about the guide is that it also shows how to transform the 10 plants into tinctures, ointments, decorations, infusions, and essential oils. Everything is explained in great detail, which is great because even if you have never planted anything before, you will be able to cultivate these plants without any problem. I started with California poppy, and a few weeks later, I was already able to make my first tea, following the guide's instructions. I was amazed by the results because for the first time in years, I was able to sleep and relax throughout the entire night. Today, I have a true natural pharmacy in my backyard, and it's amazing because we take control of our health with our own hands in a simple and uncomplicated way. That's why I strongly suggest that you get to know and discover Nicole's Medicinal Garden Kit. For me, it was worth every penny because with each little seed, I choose the benefits of a healthy, balanced, and natural life. Furthermore, it's also important for you to know that they offer a refund guarantee. But remember, make sure to purchase it directly from the official website to get the original product with guarantees and avoid frustration with counterfeit products. You can access the official website of the Medicinal Garden Kit in the description of this video. Thank you for watching until this point. I genuinely hope I have helped you in some way. Have a great day.